Paige, do you want to do something that's never been done in the history of YouTube?
Yeah!
Yes, that is right. We're going to do something in this video that has never been done in the history of mankind. Can you believe it? We're going to take this piece of wood, this 1x10 that you see right here, and we're going to turn it into a cribbage board that features Lake Courtright and Lake Wishon, or Courtright and Wishon. I can't remember which one goes which, but you'll see it. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna take a good shot at it. You think we can do it? I think we can do it. We're pretty good over here at Cedar Sense. So yeah, watch the rest of this video. Let's see if we can make this simple piece of wood into a cribbage board machine, or whatever you want to call it. The first thing we're gonna do to get this project going is we're gonna take this piece of wood right here. We're gonna put a stain on it. I think we'll use a traditional pecan. And then we're gonna put a finish on it over the pecan stain. Why would you put a finish over the stain before anything's even done to it? That doesn't look like much of a cribbage board, does it? No, it doesn't. But you'll see why in a minute. Let's get the stain and let's get the finish on this, and we'll go from here. Now we get to wander over to our CNC machine, which is an Axiom brand Pro V5. This is where the magic's gonna happen. We are gonna turn this 1x10 that we showed you earlier, after it's been stained and polished, into, this is gonna really give it the life of the board. It's gonna cut out all the whole design and everything. The lake, and then we're gonna be using 4 different bits for this piece right here. We'll send you through all that. We'll show you the process of it. We'll let you watch some of it. Some of my coolest stuff is just to sit back on the chair here and watch this thing, have a beer every once in a while, and then let this thing go to work. Be its supervisor, right? So we're gonna set this on the machine, get her going, and you guys can see all of it. Love it. We have our piece completely cut out of the CNC machine now, and she's looking a little rough, as you can see there. We got to get rid of that. What we're going to do is grab our trusty Ryobi palm sander here and just give it a nice little shot around it and knock all the corners down. Pretty easy. If you got a little bit of chipping going on, because we will fix that later. I'll show you in the video. But next, go to our next step, which is, let's color this thing up a little bit. We are all set up and ready to paint now. What we use is some black acrylic, some Lake Blue acrylic. You know, you gotta have your little $1 palette that you can get at the dollar store, and a brush. It doesn't have to be a real fancy brush for this one either. I'm about to show you why. And yeah, so basically we're gonna start with the blue, and then all the writing in here is gonna be black. You're gonna love it when it's done. Some of you might be asking, hey Mike, what do you got this mineral spirit sitting here for? Well, here's the biggest trick that you can learn when it comes to painting. I'll be painting for a little bit, and then I'll just reach over and I'll take a couple nice little huffs off this thing, and it just totally helps the experience, and your colors get a lot brighter. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a crackhead, trust me. I use this rag and I wipe off the paint that gets outside of the lines on the board here. You're gonna want to see this trick. It saves so much time. Dry overnight, and we pretty much got our cribbage board close to being done. There's one final step that we want to take before we get this out, is we want to be able to drill a hole into the side here to be able to put the pegs in, so you're not losing your pegs all the time. What you want to try to do, or what we're going to try to do, is find a dead spot, probably right about there where we're not touching the lathe. We're not gonna do it with this. We're gonna do it with the drill press. So follow me over there. Now we have a hole where we can put our pegs in, just like this. Super simple. I even give you a cork top put on her. And the pegs go in there perfectly. You'll never lose them. We ain't done yet. We still have to finish out our edge here, get that looking all right the way it should, get everything matching, and then put another coat of finish on, and we'll have a really cool board. We use the same finish that we were using. We grab a 1-inch foam brush, and we're just gonna gently go around the corners like this. There it is, everyone. A cribbage board with the Wishon and the Courtright Reservoir in it over there in California. Pretty awesome. Michael, thanks for the order. We're gonna ship this out to you real quick. You're gonna love it. Show us some pictures of you playing on it, man. That'd be really cool. That'd be awesome, actually. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. This is a really cool piece. So I hope you enjoy that we can take a 1x10 just like this and turn it into something amazing that you see right here. That's gonna give, I don't know, probably hours and hours of enjoyment. The reason why I do these cribbage boards is I love playing cribbage, grew up playing cribbage. Dad taught me, I was like 8 years old. One thing that every YouTube video I watch, they tell you to do that we're not gonna do in this video is to tell you to like and subscribe, right? I get so sick and tired of hearing that all the time. I tell you what, you made it to the end of the video. My name is Michael Vale. This is what we do over at Cedar Sense. If you see flags behind me, that's the stuff that we make. If you're interested in one of these cool cribbage boards that we made today, then check out our website down here. You can order them right on this link, and I'll put the link below. We have a lot of lake themed stuff that we're gonna get out there, especially with this new piece of equipment we got in, this laser engraver. It's pretty awesome. Here's a little sneak peek of some of the stuff we're doing right here. I love it. It's gonna be great. Keep following us on Facebook. We actually come up with all of our new stuff. If you find us at Cedar Sense, you'll see all the cool stuff we do on there. And yeah, just thank you very much. Tell a friend. The biggest thing you do is tell a friend. Share this video with somebody. Tell us about how it's, hey man, I've seen this guy that makes these really cool cribbage boards. We can ship these out all over the United States. We're in Minnesota. That's the one in California. I think you got the picture there. And one more thing, we do make these flags. Like I said, mentioned earlier, if you want to see a really cool video, you don't have to buy it from us. That's the cool thing. You don't have to buy this from us. You can watch this video right here in the link, or in this video right here. And I'll teach you how to make one of these pretty awesome flags, just like you see right behind me. Hey, thank you guys. Keep watching this channel. We're going to be putting out many more videos in the future of all these cool little projects we got coming up. Our next video is going to be a pretty awesome one about a custom gun stock, so you're going to want to watch out for that. So you know what to do, and keep watching our videos. Hey, thank you very much, guys. Love you. Bye.